Hey, what's up, y'all? The plan for today's ride was to bike from Santa Fe to Albuquerque, and even a little bit more in Albuquerque to try and get 120 kilometers. And then Callie was going to pick me up in Albuquerque, and we were going to get some takeout at Cheesecake Factory. It was going to be great, but didn't quite work out. But here's some footage anyway.
So some good news is that the headwind has turned into a crosswind. I guess that's good, but it's also kind of not good because Albuquerque is over there, and that's not quite the way we're going, but it's probably fine. And okay, it's back to a headwind. Doesn't matter which way I go, that wind's gonna blow right in my face. Awesome. Well, we're about an hour in, and I am just noodling my legs as soft as I can. I mean, we're just coasting, and I'm scared to put any power down, just because this is so much farther than I've ever ridden. But we're having a good time. And man, I have not seen trees, if you could even call these. That's a tree. That's definitely a tree. I have not seen trees in about 45 minutes. It's kind of nice. I still don't know if I'm on my originally planned route, but whatever. Pretty sure we're going to Albuquerque, and it's nice. Oh, there's a hill. So, yeah, we're having a good time. Speed limit 50 miles an hour. Forget that. We're going 70. Alright, catch you later. So I just passed a sign that said this was supposed to be a scenic pullout. I guess so. Whole thing's pretty scenic. By the way, this big mountain you see in front of us, I don't know the name of that one. It's not as big as Sandia, but I just want to be clear, that's not Sandia. So in the footage, as you see that one creeping closer, we'll eventually pass it. Ooh, this is a fun downhill. Ooh! Just try not to die here. And anyway, that's not Sandia. So we're gonna pass that one. Then we get to Sandia, and then we get to Albuquerque. Woo! I'm trying to get in an aerodynamic position. I'm trying to keep the camera facing forward too. It's not an easy balance. Woo! Oh, the wind! This is awesome. What's that? Oh, I want to look at this. Yeah. Well, I'm going to ruin this downhill. But this is like, I think this is a little like miniature Garden of the Gods. So like in Colorado Springs, there's this awesome park called Garden of the Gods. And it's got some huge rocks. This is kind of like a little mini one, I think. Let's pass it real quick. I'll try to like turn my torso so y'all can see it. Yeah, and if this is what I think it is, then we're on the right route. So that's good, because I wanted to pass this. Oh man, I ruined all that speed. Hitting the brakes, whatever. We're having fun. Yeah, look at this. It's cool. Try not to die from all the traffic. Ah, yeah, look, this is just like Garden of the Gods, right? It's just small. It's like 1/10 the size. Look at those rocks. Yeah, rocks. Oh yeah. There's some cactus. This first climb is already taking it out of me. I got a whole nother one to go. All right. Oh, the wind. Question of the day. Is this a false summit or is it the actual first summit? Oh, fingers crossed that it's the real one. Oh, the wind. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm on like level ground right now. Barely making progress. Ah, the wind! I think we're at the real summit. Oh, there's Sandy in the distance. That's the next summit. Oh yeah. Look at all that downhill. Oh, we earned it. Oh. Oh man. Let's go. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Okay. Well, there's Harm's Road, which is good. I was worried we'd be in harm's way. Although, as of right now, I am officially out of water, so technically we might also be in harm's way. But, should be a gas station coming up. Let's see. Well, shit. I broke my bike chain. Fortunately, I did it in this little town. So, there should be a gas station. Even if it's not open, I can just chill at it. I think about half a mile from here, which is crazy good luck. So I'm currently decleating my shoes. It's always good to have tools with you. So I never thought I would use my tools to decleat my shoes during a ride, but that's what I'm doing, so that way I can carry my bike the extra half mile to the gas station. So, well, it was a fun ride. I've got my mask just in case anyone's feeling adventurous and wants to let me hitchhike. Hello! Currently bumming it on the side of a gas station. Broke down in San Antonio, New Mexico. About 50 miles from home. Chain broke on my bike. Got my brown bag. And you know what that's full of. Ritz. Munchies. Pistachios for protein. And, you know, Coca-Cola.